Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat berbuka puasa bagi anda yang beragama Islam. Jumpa lagi di channel Fir BNA bersama saya Firdaus. Selamat malam. Salam sejahtera buat sahabat YouTube semuanya. Apa kabar? Semoga semuanya sehat selalu, tidak kurang satu apapun. Pada video saya kali ini berada di terminal bus antar provinsi tipe A, Batoh, Kota Banda Aceh, Provinsi Aceh. Terlihat sejumlah bus antar kota, antar provinsi yang akan membawa pemudik menunggu jadwal keberangkatan pada malam hari ini. Sebahagian penumpang transportasi darat didominasi mahasiswa, santri, dan pelajar dengan tujuan Sumatera Utara, Padang, Riau, dan Pulau Jawa memilih untuk mudik lebih awal. Sebahagian menghindari penumpukan penumpang saat puncak arus mudik Hari Raya Idul Fitri 1445 Hijriah tahun 2024 ini. Selamat menonton. Semoga bermanfaat dan terhibur. Terima kasih.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes.
danza quando studio en la escuela. Pajarita se cuide botín cuando visita a su abuela. Si necesita una amiga, debe hablar con un ratoncito. Si quieres ser mi amante, debe ser alta y delgadita. Lunes, martes, ratones, pez. Miércoles, jueves, todos. Lunes, martes, ratones, pez. Miércoles, jueves.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Terima kasih telah menonton video ini sampai habis. Kritik dan komentaran ditunggu. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.